Hello, this is first ever Apply Sentry I have had. I just bought it. Very smoothly operation with the key. Very smooth. Let's try to pick this. My fellow log sporter has used front tensioning pick, so let's try this. This is some exec pick and then some front tensioning, and here some differential gear of the RC car used as a handle for the now should get this in. Okay, and then tensioning from the first disc and then start from the rear end. Let's see how it goes. First I need to turn this rear thing full and then start from the next one. Let's start with the next one, maybe there. Okay. No false gate. This is zero cut. That's okay. Next one. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay. This is at gate. This is at gate. This is at gate. This is at gate. Now better. At gate. Now this is it. This is it. At gate. And the first one. Okay. Then open it like this. So I used front tensioning, and then this lock, at least this lock sample, overturns the first disc, so I had to tension in the end using some other disc, but yes, that's smooth. So let's gut this and see what is inside the lock. So used pick is, this is some of the Aploy exec picks. I have used picking tip and then some front tensioner I had. Then this is what I have used typically with XX and Cento and Easy. This and then this is some RC car. Just found it was suitable size and I used it. So let's check what is inside the lock. Oops. This has very few false gates, this lock, for some reason. I don't know why. No master key, maybe. First is free spinner. Then let's remove the rest. Then I can play with my pick a bit. But they should come also, maybe. Is it hiding somewhere? Very clean. Okay, so here was sidebar. Spring. So now if I tension from the first disc, you see maybe that when it's here, when I'm tensioning, this one is a bit overset. A bit. A bit overset here. So I need to tension from some other. So it's like this. A bit overset. Not that much. A bit overset. So I need to tension in the end from some other disc. Some of my fellow lock sporters, they say that they don't have this problem, so maybe there's some differences between the lock samples. Now if I tension like this, okay, now I don't have this. I should have also this one here. Now when I tension from this, it's overturning, so you see here it's a bit, it's not exactly at the true gate. Then let's try if I can, how easy it's to turn these discs to different gates with this my pick. Okay, first I need to turn this here. Okay, my side is this side, so still wrong. I have this marking here and I want to see that. Now it's somehow stuck here. So my idea was to show how, but now this is okay, now it's okay. And now how I need to put it so marking this way. Okay, like this. Okay, now if I try to turn these discs, where is the, so this can, now I lost it. So this can turn the full turning angle. This was what I was planning to show for all discs. And also return from here. Now I lost it again. Full turning. Okay, let's see what kind of discs we have here. Oops, this was the first one. Okay, this is this. Okay, that is. I think you can remove. Okay, no. Then first is there any false gates? One false gate. First one. Next one. No false gates. I think this is wider, this center of the discs compared to exec. How about here? One false gate. Not very deep. So it's touching quite fast. Then next one. Just one false gate. Yes. Did I turn this actually? One false gate. Next one. One false gate. Next one. Maybe no false gates. Next one. Maybe no false gates. This is quite easy to pick, except this thing that no false gates, that need to count, need to do something to avoid that overturning first disc. No false gates. And then this last thing here. So this was first time I got this lock today, and I spent some time with this big, not extremely challenging to pick, but then on the other hand I used this front tensioning pick, and to counter this overturning in the end I turned some zero cut disc, so, and then counter rotate a bit first disc with this tensioner. So that way I pick this. I hate this kind of picking concept, that I like that the lock opens when all discs are set, not that I have to do this kind of tricks like I did here. Okay, of course I could do a rear tensioner pick for this, and then I would not have this problem, but for some reason in Finland we don't have these sentry, Abloy Sentry locks. So this is my first one I have ever had, and maybe I don't pick this so frequently because I cannot buy these without keys, so I think this is good enough for me at the moment. Okay, then this one trick that this my fellow lock sporter found, that add here to the rear end of the lock, add small piece of this key tip, and then maybe that would avoid this overturning first disc. That could be possible also, but yes, I should do that, and now I have only this one lock sample, and maybe I don't do it now. If I get more without keys, maybe then I improve to some better concept for this picking as well. Now I was happy with this one. Okay, thanks for watching. Or maybe zoom the discs if someone is interested to see what kind of thing. Not many false gates. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Okay, let's try one thing. Let's add this. What my fellow lock sporter colleague noticed this to end of the lock. How it then behaves, if it's still overturning or not. It's not in the bottom. Wow, it's turning. Maybe now it's not overturning, so it's easier to use front tensioning. But now I need to remember that I don't use too much force because I bend this one exec with this. So let's try to make this.